Success is never an accident. It's the result of a well-executed plan. We do more than just get you licensed and into the real estate business. We get you out. There's a day you will enter the real estate business, and there's a day you will exit it. What is your exit strategy? Now you may be thinking, hold on there. I just got my license. I'm working on building my business. I'm focused on growing, not leaving. Well, I'm going to ask you to think about that. Here's why. Did you know that once you obtain your license, insider trading becomes legal? I'm being facetious, of course, but think about it like this. During the licensing process, you will learn how to write real estate contracts. You will also meet title companies that will close your transactions, lenders who have loans for you, and once you become licensed, you will join your local board of realtors and you'll have access to the multiple listing service where all the properties can be found. This is private information that only realtors who are paying members of the board of realtors have access to. You are inside. You have inside information because you're now inside the MLS system. This is important for two reasons. One, you see the best deals as soon as they come on the market. And two, you know what other properties sold for because all sales must be reported. This allows you to find active properties that you may want to purchase for yourself and calculate the fair market value so you will know how much to pay for them. There's no harm and no law against this. The definition of fair market value is what a property is sold for. What MLS tells us is what property is sold for. You will have everything you need, both information and tools, at your fingertips. The wealth in real estate is in owning it, not listing it or selling it to someone else. But your profit is made when you buy. So if you pay too much and you borrow too much, there is nothing anyone can do for you. Our TREC-approved investing class, The Principles of Investing, will get you started and show you how to find and analyze below market properties, and our investing coaching program will take you out in the field where we walk properties for sale and run the numbers on rehab and see how much it costs to acquire and remodel them. These properties can then be resold or added to your portfolio, providing passive income cash flow for years to come. As I said in the beginning, it doesn't happen by accident. Your financial success is a result of a well-executed plan over time. What is the present you doing now to take care of the future you later? Your future is created moment by what you do in the present. Real estate is a business, so we teach more than how to obtain a real estate license. We teach the 3 steps that graduates of our program have been using for years to succeed by acquiring and accumulating wealth, and it's done in 3 simple steps. Get your license, build your business, invest your profits. The Real Estate Business School, where you get your license and learn to use it. Now, go mind your own business.